Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Back with another quick pick for the 20 under 20. Hoo-ha, got it right the first time, right? For the series 20 under 20, man. And when I bring you 20 things under 20 bucks for you to be able to pick up and use. It's all tech stuff, man. So today, what did we get? So today we got the portable UV sanitizer box, one touch germicidal. It comes with UV lights, a UV wavelength of 253 nanometers, kills 99% of viruses and germs in under 3 minutes. This thing has a lot of tech into it. I once saw a family member with one, and I just thought it was the most hilarious thing. And now here it is, I have one. Our phones are probably the most dirtiest things besides money that we can own. So let's see about keeping some of this stuff clean, man. It's 2023, and let's try to be COVID-free. Hey, that rhyme. Okay, so let's look at the box here. You know I am crazy about the packaging, graphics, and everything else. Nothing on the side here, but I do like this premium box fill. Again, TJ Maxx, $16.99. Really good pickup here. And then on the back, it tells us there are enough germs and pathogens crawling on your high-touch personal items that it might be safer to kiss a public toilet than to answer your phone. Gross but true. UVC light kills 99% of viruses and bacteria with no chance of regeneration. Okay, won't be kissing a toilet to compare, but this is really cool, man. And then you see how you could charge it here. And this is by Travel On, right? Really nice packaging. And then that's why there's nothing on the side here. I don't know if you all can see that. This is not part of it, but it says recyclable. Really like that. So I'm wondering if they use some sort of recyclable material on this too. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see how we do this here. Come on, governor. There we go. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna just open it up from the one side. I'm not gonna make this more difficult than it needs to be. Slide this open right here. Then we're gonna shake it down like so. You know what I like? I am gonna open it up on both sides. There we go, man. There, because this is gonna stay. I'm not taking this back or giving this one away. Sorry, butts. So there we go right here. Nice packaging. And then here's our little treasure right here. How do we open this up? I'll just slide it down from the bottom. Wow, man, this thing is pretty huge. Okay. Nice box too. So Travel On. Go ahead and just sit this down. And that's it, man. I wonder, are the cables and stuff on the inside? So let's see. Oh yeah, they're killing it. Good job. So Travel On. It tells you what all the stuff is. It comes with a UV light. I wonder, does this generate any type of moisture or anything? Our literature. I may have to read this in my spare time. But I wonder, does this generate any type of moisture? And what kind of, not backgrounds. I wonder what kind of table or anything I can sit this on. So let's look at the cable right here. Very standard. A USB to micro USB. So that's pretty cool. Untwist this like so. And then let's see here. Does it go on this hand? Yeah, man. I wonder what this, see, that's why it's really important to read the literature. Because I wonder what this part is for. Like, why would you need to, oh well. So I wonder what this USB is for. I'll tell you what, this is one that I'm actually going to read the literature on. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I just brought up a little personal portable charger, and I did read the literature. So this is a a micro USB to USB B in, and then they also have an out as well. You can charge it either way or be able to utilize this in any way. Now this is going to make some really cool noise when you first open it up or first plug it up. So let me let you hear what that sounds like.
Welcome to use the multifunctional sterilizing machine.
Yeah, man, let's get it. So what we're going to do is, I saw them put some phones, watch, and some other stuff in there. Let's go ahead and do that and see what happens. Actually, I don't know if they did the watch. Let's go ahead and use the phone. So put your phone in right here and then just close it down. So we got our iPhone in here, close this down, and just like that, we can click on sanitize or sterilize.
Disinfection starts. Aromatherapy in progress. Off.
So as we're getting this going, man, the percentage keeps going up. It's letting me know how much longer it is until my device is clean. I think that's really cool. You definitely want to keep your stuff safe and secure. And then as far as keeping it sanitized, make sure your devices are fully sanitized when you're using them there. We don't want any kissing of the toilets like they just mentioned on the back of the box here. I think that's pretty funny there. So right now on the side right here, let's just go over some of the features. So you got the UVC lamp right here on the side, guys. And then on the inside here, it's a fragrance reservoir. So I guess you can put like different fragrances and things in there. And then right here, you have your sterilization button, as well as your progress indicator, letting you know how much percentage you got until it's complete. Right here is our incense button, so to go ahead and grab any incense that you wanted to put in. And then the last two right here are power on and power out. So really cool, man. This thing said it would take about 3 minutes. I'm not going to record it that whole time, but as we get closer to that 3-minute mark, I'll stop and then come back for you all. Okay, guys, we're close to our 3-minute mark, and then we'll go ahead and let you know once it's been done. This thing is really cool. I wish there was a way to be able to determine how clean it was after you finished it up, but it's nowhere to indicate that this thing has been completely clean other than the machine telling me right here. And then right here, we're at the 75% mark. I counted, we should have about 48 seconds left. So I'm gonna speed up this part for you all so that you can go ahead and get back to it.
Disinfection completed.
And just like that, man, it's been complete. So real quick, man, let's take our device out. Again, there is no heat to this. I'd be interested to know the technology that went into this for you to be able to know how clean your device is and what makes this clean. So let's see if we can cut it off as so.
Off.
All right. And now let's go ahead and lift up our device. Okay. So there's no heat to it. There's no moisture or anything on this device, but they said it was clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and say it's clean. Now let's talk about this device a little bit more. Travel On multifunction sanitizer. I'd be interested to see like how this really cleans your device. I mean, for the price, this may be worth it, man. What did I pay? 17 bucks for this. This may be a keeper because you want to keep your devices nice and clean as you're going through your everyday setup here. Again, man, this has been Steph with another 20 under 20. Hoo-ha, got it right the second time there. And if you want this, go ahead and go to your local TJ Maxx. Look for the Travel On recyclable, man. 20 under 20 multifunction sanitizer. Till the next video, man, it's been Steph. Let's get it.